Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Fadil Irsyad. Today I will presenting about rhythm games for enhancing cognitive. First, realize it or not, we need to enhance our cognitive abilities. By playing rhythm games, which is one of genres in games, provides a unique opportunity to achieve intellectual stimulation and academic excellence. By using this method, you could having fun even when enhancing your cognitive abilities. So what are cognitive abilities and why is it plural? Because cognitive ability is a set of brain function ability used for thinking, paying attention, processing information, and remembering things. Also, cognitive abilities also constantly aiding your thought processes and memory retention. So, why is it important to enhance our cognitive abilities? By developing and strengthening your cognitive abilities can help you to improve your memory, attention, and overall mental well-being. Besides that, cognitive abilities could help improving your problem solving, critical thinking, and decision making, which is tested in hiring process and needed throughout your career. By learning a new thing, you could enhance your own cognitive abilities. Of course, learning at school is count as enhancing your cognitive abilities. But there are more fun ways to improve cognitive abilities, such as playing puzzle, board games, and engage in rhythm games. But in this today's meeting, we're gonna focus on enhancing with engaging in rhythm games. The best method of improving cognitive abilities is by doing repetitive brain training activities. Therefore, improving cognitive abilities is better done when you have free time with an organized schedule. So, I've mentioned rhythm games several times, but what is rhythm games? Rhythm games, also referred to as music games, is a genre of video games that center of engaging with music while playing. These games usually involve pressing button in sync with the music or combining other music-related activities such as singing, playing musical instrument, and dancing. Where you can find this kind of games, you can find this on various platforms such as computer or mobile device, even in game centers such as Time Zone or Game Master. Uh, this picture right here is the type of rhythm games. Here you can see a man dancing, which is this is the type of dancing rhythm games. You can find it in Time Zone or Game Master, I guess. Uh, and this one, there's a computer one. This game called Osu. This type of rhythm game is syncing your keyboard and mouse with notes on your screen. Uh, and then the circle one right here is the same as the earth one, which is tapping in sync with uh, the notes on the screen. Now, how rhythm games help you with enhancing cognitive? Uh, as I said before, cognitive abilities are a set of uh, brain function such as thinking and etc. But cognitive abilities also including hand-eye coordination, timing, and concentration, which is this kind of function can improve by rhythm games.
Make it fun. Fun is an important part of learning or doing some activities. It helps to keep you engaged and motivated. which leads to better outcomes. Here's are some benefits if we having fun while learning or doing activities. First is increased engagement. Uh, when people are having fun, they are more likely to be engaged in the learning process or the activities process. This means that they are more likely to pay attention, participate, and remember what they learn or doing in the activities. Uh, Second is improve motivation. How is it having fun improve our motivation? Fun can help uh, us to increase motivation to learn or doing activities because having fun makes learning or activities enjoyable and rewarding. And how is it rewarding? Uh, some some people see this kind of uh, learning process of or activities as a challenge. Uh, when we accomplish the challenge, we get self-satisfaction. Uh, that's some kind of reward for me. Or if you want, you could treat yourself if you success on doing something. Like maybe if you success on learning something, you're gonna buy uh, something for yourself, uh, or anything you want before. Um, and then the last one is enhance our learning outcomes, which studies have shown that people who have fun in their activities tend to perform better on their activities. This is because they are more likely to be engaged, motivated, and have a better understanding of what they are doing. This is also applied to improving our cognitive abilities. Now, here's are some tips in enhancing our cognitive abilities. Uh, First is be creative. Be creative because there are many ways to enhance our cognitive abilities. Uh, not not everyone chose this method. Like rhythm games is boring, or I prefer doing puzzle instead because it's easier. Uh, that's yeah, no problem. Don't be afraid to try new things. Be flexible. Yep. As I said before, not all people will enjoy the same activity, so you can change things up if something isn't working. And then be patient. Don't get discouraged if things don't go perfectly right away. It takes time to improve your cognitive abilities, especially in these rhythm games. You can just doing the hardest song to play because that needs some practices. You need to play from start from the easy one.
So, with this kind of activities, you can find it enjoyable to spend your time for enhancing cognitive abilities. Of course, if we feel enjoy and happy if while we doing our activities, uh, that that activities can boost our motivation and confidence, further enhancing skill development. So, uh, with this enjoyment, we could boost our motivation and confidence. So, in conclusion, rhythm games, especially games in general, are a kind of self-entertainment that will cause enjoyment, which can make us not feel burdened in our activities. So, if we can having fun while enhancing our cognitive, uh, why not? Because surely it will help us to develop our cognitive even further. Here's some quotes that I found on some rhythm games, which name is Musedes, which is constant practice without rest can turn passion into fatigue. So uh, we need to improve our cognitive abilities, but don't forget to rest. And some rhythm games can be competitive, but because our goal is to enhancing our cognitive, we don't need to feel that competitive. So you can take it easy and playing as you like. That's it for me. Uh, I'm sorry if there's any kind of grammar mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.